Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Hyundai Palisade to your garage door opener. First, find the Learn or Program button on your garage door opener unit. Next, park your Palisade close enough to the garage for a strong signal. Before starting, it's a good idea to clear any existing programming from the Home Link buttons in your car by holding the two outer buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Now get back into your Palisade. Press and hold the Home Link button you wish to program. While holding it, quickly press and release the Learn button on your garage door opener. You'll typically have about 30 seconds to do this. The indicator light on your Home Link button should change from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then solid, indicating successful programming. Once programmed, test the button by pressing it firmly. Your garage door should open or close. If it doesn't work, don't worry. You might need to repeat the programming steps, ensuring you press the Learn button within the time limit. Some older garage door openers or specific models may require slightly different procedures, so always check your opener's manual for detailed guidance. For optimal performance, ensure your garage door opener's batteries are fresh. If you have an older opener or a rolling code system, you might need a Home Link repeater, which is available from your Hyundai dealer or online. These devices help bridge the signal. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.